Hi, friend. How you doing? I wanted to tell you about how I want to create a game that channel that actually matters. So I don't know about you, but sometimes, well, a lot of times when I'm working on my game and I feel overwhelmed or like confused, especially at the beginning, I didn't really have anybody I could talk about, I didn't really have a friend that was also doing a game or like a creative uh, project. Somebody that I could talk about, what I was going through, or just bounce ideas and just, chat about whatever was on my mind. So I want to make this channel a safe space for you. Maybe if you're going through something similar that you're working on your game and you don't really have anybody to talk about and feel a bit alone or overwhelmed. Well, I want to make this channel a space so you can come hang out and we can work on our games. Hopefully, that will help you feel less alone and less crazy for wanting to do something as difficult as a game on your own. Oh, actually, have you met me before? Because if not, well, I should introduce myself, right? Well, I am Gael. I am from sunny Spain, but I'm currently living here in the UK. I am a solo indie game developer, and I am currently working on my dream horror game, which is a survival horror. And as a good survival horror, is inspired by the 90s classics. I don't know if you play games like Silent Hill, Resident Evil, Rule of Rose, all those sort of games from the 90s. But I'm giving it like a modern twist. I am mixing it with some modern mechanics and games. For example, I'm adding some sandbox elements like things like eating, drinking, sleeping, and also mixing it with other games like The Long Dark, Project Zomboid, because I want to create like a very immersive experience, like kind of realistic in the context that is a video game, of course. So, yeah, this is like my vision to kind of refresh the survival horror genre in my own way, I guess. So, yeah, that's me in a nutshell. So basically, I'm going to come here to YouTube once a week, every Monday, and I'm just gonna chat with you about all the things that I've been doing during the previous week, all the struggles that I had, all the things that are going well, all the things that are going wrong, and any insight that I find interesting that I've learned during the week, or something like that. It's kind of like a catching up of what's been going on during the week. And I will love if you also put in the comments what you've been up to, so we can have a conversation. It's not just me telling you what I've been doing. I'm also interested in knowing what you're doing. And I also am going to start, well, I already started doing live streams of me working on my game, but they're going to be like silent streams, okay? Like, I'm not gonna talk, I'm not gonna even show my face, I'm just gonna record my screen and, yeah, just, basically do parallel play where you can come hang out with me in the stream and you're working on your thing, I'm working on my thing, and yeah, just that, keep it simple, just chill stream, because at least for me, when I know somebody is there with me in the same space, even if we're not working on the same thing, um it helps me stay more motivated and focus on what I'm doing. So yeah, basically, I want to open this space for you as well, so you can come to the stream and just work on your own thing, and hopefully that will also help you stay more focused during the duration on the stream. It's usually around 3 hours, so like that moment is for you to focus. And yeah, hopefully, if you see me working on the background, it also helps you focus. So that's basically parallel play. So yeah, do you have a question for me or anything that you'd like me to chat about with you in the next video? Feel free to leave a comment below. I can make a video of your question next time. And of course, please like and subscribe this video so I know you're actually watching it and this video is reaching you. And if you'd like to come hang out with me a bit more, you can go watch next video is somewhere around here. Yeah, I'll see you there, okay? Bye.